Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are create cinematic color harmony using color lookup. Start by opening your image and observing the dominant colors. Cinematic harmony relies on colors that feel connected rather than scattered. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that gently unify tones across the image. Select one that brings colors closer together and reduce the opacity for natural blending. Add a curves adjustment layer and adjust contrast slightly to maintain depth. Use color balance to align shadows and highlights toward a similar tonal direction. Zoom out to evaluate the image as a whole. If certain areas appear too intense, mask the color lookup